So whether you trade Forex, crypto, or gold, you need a broker in order to access the market. You would not be able to access any market to trade if you don't have a broker. A broker is where you deposit your funds and then you access the market. They give you the platform in order to trade. You get it? Although we have so many brokers, there are few ones who actually provide quality service. If you deposit your money where withdrawals is hectic, you have to file for appeal in order to get yourself out of some basic stuff, it's quite hectic, and for a newbie trader this would definitely put you off. So I'm going to share with you this platform that I think they are ticking all the boxes when it comes to some of these things. The name of the platform is Investizo. Before we go any further, I need to tell you that trading is risky and you can lose some or all of the money you deposit to trade. So make sure you know what you're doing before you get yourself involved. So in this video, we're going to look at how this platform works. We will go through how to deposit, withdraw, and also how you can set up to start trading with Investizo. So when you sign up to the Investizo platform, this is essentially the dashboard you're going to see first time. Okay, now over here there is a deposit feature. We also have the withdrawal feature here. So if we tap on deposit, you see all the options you can use right now to deposit funds. They have the card, and then there's also e-payments. Aside that, there's a crypto section where you can use USDT, Bitcoin Cash, and a couple of other cryptocurrencies to deposit funds into your account. They also have the international transfer, which I don't think would be much convenient for newbie traders. Okay, I think essentially using crypto or some of these electronic payments like card payments will be the best. Okay, now to withdraw your money after trading or whatever, you go through the withdrawal steps by tapping on withdrawal here, and then over here you see the different options here. For Ghana City, they have the mobile money feature here, which you can use to withdraw funds. They also have advanced cash here as well. And then there's crypto. Okay, you can use any of these cryptocurrencies to also withdraw your funds, which I think is really cool. Okay, so from this same space, you'll be able to find other pro traders who you can copy their signal. This is quite cool for people who are starting off with trading because you can simply copy someone who's already successful and follow along. But the downside to that is whenever they take a loss, you take a loss. But the good side also is when they take a win, you take a win. So you can research on here the ones that have higher profit margin or the ones who are likely to give you the most returns, and then you follow along. But of course, you need to understand that the risk factor is when they take a loss, you take a loss, and when they take a win, you take a win. Now, away from that, you can also check the prop feature, which is the Investizo prop trading. And over here, you can go through any of their challenges, and if you pass the challenge, you'll be able to trade with Investizo. So instead of using an external prop firm, you can use this internal prop trading inside the Investizo platform. So if you don't want to raise your own capital, you can get started with the Investizo prop challenge, and from here you'll be able to trade with some good capital. So here you can choose the amount by dragging this filter, and then it will load up how much money you want to trade with. Okay, now this also shows the profit target, the max daily loss, the max loss you take on your account before they take you out, then the minimum trading days, profit stability, and then refundable fee. Okay, how much you will pay. Okay, now the payment, if let's say you want $69,000 trading capital, you pay $690 to take the challenge, and now you have to achieve 10% profit without exceeding 5% daily drawdown and maintaining profit consistency not less than 60%. So if this is something you can stick to, then of course you can go ahead to take the challenge, and from there you'll be able to get the account. You can also reduce your target to somewhere around, let's say, $12,000, and now you're paying $120 for the challenge. Of course, this is quite tight, but I think if you know what you are doing, you can essentially pass this challenge, and from there you'll be able to access their prop account to trade. Now, if you want to trade using MetaTrader, Investizo makes this simple. You can simply download MetaTrader 4 and connect your Investizo account to it, and then you start trading. This is really cool. So for traders who are already used to MetaTrader, you can go ahead to create your Investizo account, then you connect it to MetaTrader. It's quite simple. You tap on open a new account, and then over here, you choose the leverage you want to use, and then the currency as well. And then if it's a real account or a demo account, okay. Now I'm just going to leave this on real standard. Now I'm going to tap open account. Now this is created, so you have the server information here, the login information, the password that comes with it. So you can go ahead to deposit funds into your Investizo platform. Now this will be connected to your MetaTrader, so you can go on MetaTrader and start taking trades. Aside MetaTrader, Investizo also gives you access to their own trading terminal, which you can access by tapping on this Investizo trading platform. Okay, now this will open the Investizo terminal, which looks just like this. Okay, it's really cool, and you can pick your trades right from here without even using MetaTrader or any third-party trading platform. So as you can see, they've integrated trading view here, which is one of the nice features I think I love about this terminal. So right from here, you can use some of the tools that we love using on trading view right here without opening trading view. Another thing about Investizo is the fees part. The fees are low, you pay less in fees compared to other platforms, and of course withdrawal is fast, deposit is fast, and you can quickly pick your trades without any issues. To verify your account, there are 3 things you have to do. The first one is your identity verification, which will be your image, ID card, and stuff like that. And then from there, you also need to verify your address. This will be the address you provide on your account, and if you don't verify your address, mostly it will be difficult for you to deposit a higher amount or withdraw a higher amount. So you need to make sure you verify your address. Now, aside that, you also need to verify your email. So the email you use in creating your account, you need to verify it. After creating your account, the first thing you have to do is to verify your account by going through all of these verification steps so that you know you are good, and now you can go ahead to trade with confidence. Inside the Investizo platform, there's also an inbuilt chatbot, which you'll be able to submit any issues that you have on the platform. So if you have any question, you can tap on the chat icon here, input your question, and then the chatbot is going to respond to you. Of course, you can go ahead to chat with real humans as well. I think all in all, this is a great platform for newbie traders as well as traders who are already using other platforms but are not so satisfied with the services they are getting. This is a really cool one, and I think you can access so many tools on this platform. They have economic calendar, which will help you in picking your trades and analyzing and knowing when to trade and when not to, as well as analytics, as well as signals for newbies who want to copy other traders. This is a great one. They have a whole lot of other tools you can access. Aside as they have different account types depending on how much money you want to invest or start trading with. They have with a minimum deposit of 10 USD, you can start trading on Investizo. So if you haven't created an account on Investizo yet, check the description of this video. There's a link in there. Click on there and then create your own Investizo account. This is great, and you can go ahead to start trading with this platform. My name is Alfred. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.